Completion tokens. Completion tokens are the individual token units that make up the model's generated output after it has read your input prompt. You can think of them as the smallest counted pieces of the answer the model writes back to you. A simple way to picture completion tokens is like beads on a string. Your prompt is the string you hand the model, and each bead it threads onto the string is one completion token. The more beads it adds, the longer and more detailed the final answer becomes. In an API call, the tokens in your question are counted as prompt tokens, and the tokens in the model's reply are counted as completion tokens, often billed separately. This is closely related to the context window, because both prompt and completion tokens must fit inside that total limit. Completion tokens matter because they directly control how long, detailed, and expensive a model's response is, and they also affect latency and rate limits.